Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the ADX color indicator on the MetaTrader4 and MetaTrader5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the ADX indicator, which shows us the trend as well as market changes or volatility based on the ADX indicator. The format of this indicator is in the form of histograms with green, gray, and red colors. When it is green, it indicates a strong upward trend and high volatility.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Volatility or significant changes. When it is red, it indicates a strong downward trend. And when it is gray, it shows that we are in a ranging market area. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the time frame, where you can specify that by default it is set to the current time frame, the chart's time frame, and you can choose from among the available time frames. The next option is the ADX indicator period. The higher you set this value, the fewer fluctuations you'll see, and in a way you can filter out more noise. And the last option is the price type on which the calculations are performed, which you can select from among these options. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader4 platform. As you can see, so the inputs are exactly the same as the MT5 version. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.